In Nigeria, one wrong statement fit put you for inside wahala real quick. But with just 5 pidgin phrases, you can escape trouble, blend in, and even earn respect. Trust me, these ones are lifesavers. Today, I am going to show you 5 survivor pidgin phrases, when to use it, how to use it, and stories where these phrases can help you overcome kasala, wahala, or problem. Stay till the very end, because if you know sabi number 5, wahala for you. Try. Welcome back, my people. This is your girl Z. No, this is a place where we sip our cold zobo with a sharp twist of atarodo pepper. Yes, I bring you the Pidgin English vibe. I bring you everything Pidgin English, and we don't forget to take it in with our hot pepper. Yes, I bring you the unfiltered truth, self-growth tips, everything that will help us grow, develop, and become better version of ourselves. That is all what we do here. I'm so excited for today's episode, and if it's your first time watching my YouTube video, you are welcome. Drum roll for you again and again. I'll keep doing the drum roll thing until I figure out something better. Maybe I'll start Afro Juju for you. Abeg means please in Pidgin English. Madam, abeg, how much last? It is used to soften any request. Yes, it is used to soften any request. If you want to ask for help, just like the way you use please in English, that is how you use abeg in that sentence. So it softens the sentence and make you gain favor on the person that you are asking that request from. Why do you use abeg? You use abeg because Nigerians, we love politeness. Yes, forget our grammar, forget what they do, forget the cruise and all of those things. Nigerians love when you respect them. They love when you show humility. When you jam last man or police officers and you use the word abeg no vex, tension automatically reduces. Yes, it just adds ease to your statement. Yes, it gives it steeze and it gives it weight. How far is a popular greeting slang in Nigeria? Yes, the way you can warm up to somebody is by instantly saying how far to a stranger or whoever you want to mingle with. How far just clears the way. It's a user-friendly Pidgin English word that is highly recommended. Yes, I 100% recommend you using how far. How far just reduces that stiffness in a conversation. It gives light and it gives vibe and it makes you feel instantly recognized. A foreigner once said hello, hello in an open space, and nobody actually answered him. The moment he said how far, everybody laughed and opened up to him warmly. Like everybody, the way everybody just warmed up to him was amazing. It just goes from split seconds, because that how far can actually open doors for you. You don't know. No wahala. No wahala just means no problem, it's fine. No problem, it's fine. You use it to calm situations down, pandemoniums, chaos, whatever. You use it to calm that situation down. Or it's also used to show just you are an easygoing person, or something is easygoing. Imagine a scenario where there is a fight between the conductor and a passenger, and the driver just say, okay, no wahala, it's fine, no wahala, yeah, I don't do no wahala. Immediately that tension just calms. It just calms the tension. That no wahala. No wahala equals instant peace, like ASAP. If you want to express surprise or authentically show excitement, that is when you can use the word omo e choke. Omo e choke. E choke. The good news choke. The cash out choke. The testimony choke. The alert choke. It's used to, I see that authentic vibe it's giving. It shows that you are 100% interested in that story. Like that story is giving you much vibe. Like it's giving you joy. So it choke, omo it choke. It helps you blend into the Nigerian culture fast. Like really, really fast. Imagine you reacting to a joke, a performance, or maybe food, and you just instantly say omo it choke. You see the way people would instantly connect you, like the instant connection. Just try this with any TikTok video. Anything that you see that impresses you, and you just go to the comments and type omo it choke, you see that you start getting likes. People start reacting to that particular comment you dropped on that post. Try it and thank me later. Abeg no vex. Abeg no vex. Are you seeing my expression? Abeg no vex. It means that that person should not be offended. Please don't be offended. You say it when you mistakenly step on someone's toes, or you bumped into someone. You know, Lagos traffic and all those things, it can be anywhere. Or maybe you bumped into someone, or you said something out of annoyance. You can use it to soothing the whole, the whole tension. So if you annoy someone by mistake, use abeg no vex. Abeg no vex. Instantly, the whole tension, the whole palaver will cool down. Imagine that you are at a party, maybe a club or an O&B party. Nigerians know what I mean, O&B, in our wedding party. And then you mistakenly spill drink someone. Just say please no vex, abeg. Just say abeg no vex immediately. You've won the day, because that wahala or that problem that was about to arise will just die down. Imagine say you sabi only these 5 pidgin phrases. Do you know that you can survive in a marketplace, an office, streets, traffic, party, anywhere, because you know these 5 pidgin phrases? I mean, that's a lot, right? That is why I want you to save this video. You can create a playlist and save all of these videos there, so you can come back in case you want to make reference to any of all these videos. Like it, share it, and let me tell you a quick story. My friend wey carry cousin come from UK. They say me they enter market go buy 1 or 2 things now, So as they dey for the market, the girl can go get bege, the babe so we come from UK. She can't go enter bege with one of the traders for there. So when she saw it how it was already going, she just had to say abeg no vex. The UK accent now is different from Nigerian accent. So when she said the abeg no vex, if you see the way everybody started laughing, the tension just dropped immediately. Like the atmosphere just changed, and everywhere became so friendly. That's when I know that pidgin really does save life. That's why I'm asking you to save this video. If you want to learn pidgin, this is your time. Like this video, subscribe, share, and I have a video. If you want to learn how to command respect, you can click on this video here. Yes, learn how to command respect automatically. I'm going to the 5 pidgin lines that will help you command respect. That's what I dropped in that video. I am going to be dropping my Linktree, where you can find access to my my socials, or if you want to connect with me one-on-one. And to that, we have come to the end of my video today. Yes, English is a problem. Whenever the English is too much, just speak pidgin. I have come to the end of my video today, and I'm so glad you watched till the end. I'm hoping to see you in my next video, guys. Stay well and stay blessed. Bye.